All right, this is Zach with the Tactical Llama. Emma shooting the M1 Garand.
See if I can get it.
There you go.
Might not be all the.
That's what she said?
Sounds like a personal problem.
I thought I could do it.
I think everybody gets so nervous about getting that Garand thumb. Yeah. This guy is so good at not doing it.
This one was pretty tight.
That's what she said?
So,
Yeah, sometimes
I
I wasn't even worried about it because I didn't know it was a thing, so I just did it.
yeah, well, it's not supposed to. But if they've been worn in, when you shove that clip on.
Emma with the M1 Garand shooting steel targets.
got it.
You gotta say Tactical Llama.
No, it's not in.
I'm Scott.
Slam it. That's what happened to me.
That's what she said?
Now, but now pretend like you're slamming it.
That's
Hold
why
it and
women
slam it
want
again.
shooting guns
Bam.
and
Now I'll edit it. It'll look
But see my
perfect.
hand already.
I loaded it perfectly.
Yeah, get some.
Oh my goodness.
That was awesome.
All right.